Brake repair job, 1970 VW van. Wheel end cap removal, video number 1. This is the audio commentary, whoops, to this video. Okay. Now that came off very easily. And that's not how it happened in real life with the other front wheel, something to that effect. You can see that here in this video, I've just got a screwdriver and I'm wedging it right in. Well, you can see the other piece, right? There's a little lump right there, right? There's a little bump right there. Just wedging it in there, nice and easy, right? But you might have to use two flathead screwdrivers. Or if that cap, let me go back to here. Okay. Rewinding it. If that cap, there we go. You need to get this sucker off. You need to get this cap off of here. If this cap is wedged on there super hard, oh boy. I tried using these clamp things, pliers, clamps, wouldn't come. And then I tried smacking here with a hammer, smack, smack, smack. Nope, still wouldn't come. Finally, what I had to do, I tried using two flathead screwdrivers in there, and then over here, and then over here, and over here, and then back over here, and all the way around in a circle. Cap still wouldn't come off. Finally, what I had to do is, you know how a normal carpenter's hammer has got that head with which you hit the nails, and the other end is a claw for pulling out nails, right? Well, they also make a hammer that has that same head for pounding nails or whatever, and the other end is one solid piece. So instead of being two claws, right? Instead of being two claws, it's like that. Now I'm not sure for what they use. Maybe they use it on masonry or to dig out something or other, but it's a wider. It's not like this. It's together and it's one solid piece. Well, and pointed. So I had to shove that sucker in there. Still unable to do it. Finally, I had to put that sucker in there, and then a sledgehammer that you hold in one hand, and whammo, whammo. And then I got a little bit of a gap in there, and it finally worked. It finally popped off. So if you have problems, now you know how to take care of it. There you go. Popped right off, didn't it? See, there's two screwdrivers. That might work if you need help. Two screwdrivers. You might have to twist them, rotate them to pop off that sucker. All right, that's it.